Alright, so I'm looking to get short here on the RTY futures. We have these two legs up here. It's nearly reaching that measured move. The downtrend has a break. When a downtrend has a break, we can expect prices to attempt a new low. And considering we're getting two fade attempts, that would work out perfectly for a failure entry. So we can look to get in on a fade failure. And so, just wanted to quickly explain this trade here. And I'm probably just going to pause the video until we get a fill, or if it takes off without us, then I'll update on that as well. And yeah, so it might push through this measured move a little bit. It might reach this overnight low right here. It might reach this measured move, because there is a much larger down measured move that price pushed through, so it might want to retest it. But um, you know, so just wanted to explain this trade here, and I'm gonna pause the video, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, and we just got our entry order filled. I'm just going to set this up here. Wait, I meant to do right at 45. So, alright, I'm just going to let this trade play out. I just wanted to, quickly explain what's going on before getting in here. So again, two legs up right here. It might push up and retest the overnight low right there. I would not be surprised. But yeah, looking to make a new low for this downtrend here right here. We just got a break for it. And yeah, basically just pushing target down to these lows right here. And so I'm just going to let this trade record. I'm going to mute my mic, and I'll see y'all later. Alright, we're out of that trade. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you all tomorrow.